Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix voice chat not working in Roblox. Start by heading to the Roblox website and sign in. Go to the top and click the gear icon, then open the settings, select privacy from the side, scroll down and find the microphone and camera input options. If you don't have the microphone option, then you will need to enable voice chat in Roblox. Turn on the use microphone to chat with voice option. Enter your parental PIN if asked, then click unlock. Click the enable button to enable your microphone. Right click on the speaker icon on your taskbar, then select sound settings. Scroll down and find the input device option. Select your microphone, then set the volume to 100. Launch Roblox and load into an experience. Open the settings by clicking the Roblox icon. Go to settings tab, then scroll down and find the input device option. Use the arrow buttons to select the microphone that you want to use for Roblox. Set the output device to what you want to hear the Roblox game audio and chat through. Head to the bottom and click the microphone button, and the voice chat not working in Roblox error will now be fixed. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.